Kawadhi nyime ni jalup jakom mar kambi mar Royal Media Services Gathoni Macharia otieno manyoro no dhial kimiye mich ne tije dongruok mar sekta mar fwambo e pachoka, mich midendo ni Lifetime Achievement Award. Nyasi no notim ne jotelo mag ute mag fwambo mag pinje Afrika e kin jotelo mamoko. Moko kuom joma noyudo michgo gin mane en jatend piny machon ma Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo ma bende ne en jafwambo. Ote mar Macharia nosom kod Rene Kamau ma bende nogo erokamano ne mich makamano kaluwore kod neno ni tesende duto e bwo Royal Media Services omulo ngima jopiny e pinje Afrika.
The Vice Chairperson of the Royal Media Services, Rene Kamau, will be able to receive the award on her behalf.
We are also proud of Citizen TV, which is Kenya's #1 national broadcaster that is English-based, and our more recent babies, that's Inoro TV that transmits in Kikuyu, and Ramogi TV that transmits in Luo, which are all current market leaders. To my family, my anchor and my compass, your unwavering support has been my source of strength. To our viewers and our listeners, your trust is our most cherished award. As I accept this honor, I'm reminded that our journey does not end here. The landscape of media is ever changing, and we must continue to adapt, innovate, and lead with integrity. So thank you all for this award, this incredible honor, and here's to the stories yet to be told. This is on behalf of our Vice Chair, Madam Purity Gathoni Macharia, on behalf of Royal Media Services.
Thank you very much. A round of applause for her as she makes her way out of the stage.